Hello, today I'm going to show you how to record your screen. First you need this application, X Recorder. This only works for mobile, and if you are recording, then there will be like this screen I'm moving right now, and here there are pause recording, start or stop recording, and this was actually everything you need to do. To start recording, you need to press this like this rectangle, and to pause you need to click this pause button. To stop you also need to click the rectangle, and this is how I record my videos on YouTube. And bye.